Thank you so much for watching and for watching back. Yeah, so we have a new video for today, and this is just like a random studio vlog again. So today I'm currently painting this jacket at the back, and I decided to film it. Maybe you have figured out what I'm going to paint there. It's the sunflower painting of Van Gogh. So this is just like an update on my art life. And by the way, we have reached 2,000 subscribers on YouTube. I'm very glad because, you know guys, it's really hard to gain subscribers here on YouTube for a normal person like me. So that is really a great achievement. I just realized that even though I haven't monetized my channel yet, there are still possible clients that you can get on YouTube because it seems like it serves as your online portfolio. And yes, I was saying, I am really glad that I found YouTube as one of the platforms where I can showcase my talent, my skills, and I'm also very blessed. I just want to share, guys, because there are these clients that are contacting me, and they have watched some of my videos. So I'm doing some commissions, and it's like a way for them to check how I do a certain artwork. And as you have noticed, guys, I don't have the gray wall on my back anymore. The white and gray wall. We move apartment, and I don't know, I'm really a big fan of this kind of brick wall, so I bought this kind of thing on Shopee, and this is a foamy thing, and I don't know, I just love it. I just like how it looks like, the texture. It looks clean because it's just plain white and it has textures in it. So yeah, just sharing. And I'm gonna do a desk tour, or not a desk tour anymore, but a room tour of my art space. But that would be in the next videos. So yeah, the next one would be me painting, because I still have to wrap up things here because it's kind of messy, so I cannot show you anything yet. But just the plain white background. Should I paint it as well, or should I just keep it as it is? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. I'm really a big fan of this ever since I painted on fabrics. This is the tool Go Fixer you are. As I mentioned earlier, I already painted on denim jackets, and here's an update on one of the jackets I painted. So just so you know, guys, I already hand washed this thrice, and as you can see, the paints are still intact. The paints are still, you know, they're still fine. They're still okay. And I use acrylics for this, for your info, and with the help of this fabric medium. So I really recommend this. You can find this on Shopee. I'll just put the link in the description box below so you can see. This is a living proof. Alright guys, it's now 12:30 a.m. and right now is the best time for me to paint. Yeah, I know it's kind of late na, so I had to finish a lot of stuffs earlier this morning and afternoon. So since this is my rest day and tomorrow also is my rest day, I can paint overnight, and that's what I'm going to do today. And I'll just have to drink coffee because, you know, we need pampagising. So here it is there. That's the one I'm going to do, or the one I'm going to paint right now. And I also start the Converse shoes. So let me show you also the shoes. Let me just check. Let me just get it here. Oh. So by the way, here are the cookies I made earlier, and there. So just get it here. So I just put the shoes here. Wait, that's kind of heavy. So here, there are two pair of shoes that I'm going to paint. So this pair of shoes have different designs. The first pair is a Starry Night, and I already got used in painting that because I already have painted that twice, and this is the third time. And the other one is like a snowball character, but yeah, you'll see it once we go along with the video. Here are the shoes. here. I like the color of this mint green. And this is where I'm gonna paint the snowball. The other one is the white Converse. And this is where I'm going to paint the Starry Night. So that's like I'm back to back full paint. How yeah. So I'll paint this now so we can keep things going. So I'm done with the shoes, and we have here a pair of Starry Night, and the other one is the snowball. So I still have to write something right here. Then after this, it's all done. But before that, I'll also be painting one. It's the Van Gogh painting. And for that one, I will be using REVEL paints. These REVEL paints that I'm going to use are actually given to us for free from Nang Brothers Enterprise. Let me also just share you this. It's a DIY paint bar. I don't know what to call this, but so here are the paints that I mostly use all the time. So I put them here with this little flower in here. If you notice, I organized them by shades. I'm picking REVEL. So for the Van Gogh painting, it's actually so easy. Alright, so here are the REVEL paints that I'm going to use for the painting. And Nang Brothers actually sent me 5 colors of this. The other one is the red one. So we have here white, black, blue, and yellow. It's actually the first time I've heard about REVEL paints or art materials with Nang Brothers, and I will be using this for the first time. For the canvas, this is a canvas board that I ordered from Carlo. He's my friend and he has a Shopee account. So this is the canvas that I've ordered from him. This is 14.5 by 7 inches. I forgot, but it's close to that dimension. So here's how it looks like. Although I have the materials to create my own canvas, I actually don't have time. That's why I just ordered online. And he has a Shopee account. I'll be linking his account on the description box below. So if you guys are looking for a customized canvas boards, you can go ahead and check his account. And I will also be putting the link of Nang Brothers. They also have a Shopee account. They also have a Facebook page and Instagram. So let me just paint now. hope you enjoyed watching this video for today, and this is actually the last video for 2020, and I'm looking forward to make more videos for the upcoming year. This year has been tough for all of us, but I hope we can still end this year with positivity, hope, and kindness. This has been May, and thank you for watching my last video for 2020. Yeah, may we all have a happy, bright, and prosperous new year. Thank you so much again for watching. Till our next video. Bye!